listeners, Daft Scots Lass here, and today I'm going to be vlogging to you about a few things. First of all, and most importantly, I have just downloaded Jack White's new Lazaretto album and I cannot wait to listen to it. I literally downloaded it 10 minutes ago and I cannot wait to jam in my car tomorrow morning to his new LP. It's going to be awesome. I just know it. Anyway, that's for all those fellow Jack White fans out there, which, yeah, there's not too many of them in South Africa. Right, the second thing I'm going to be vlogging about today is all the products and goodies that I got in my Friday prize day last week that I won on Beauty Bulletin. Now, there were some good products in there. There were some awesome products in there, which I'm going to talk to you about, but I'm going to be doing separate product reviews on Beauty Bulletin for each product, but I just wanted to show you my goodies because I'm so super excited about them. So the first one that I got is Avon's A New Clinical E-Defense, and it's also in my favourite little pump bottle, so you never waste any, there's no mess. And it came just in time because my skin has been so dry from the winter. It's been really cold lately, so up in Joburg anyway. I don't know what it's like anywhere else in the country, but Joburg is absolutely freaking freezing right now. Minus temperatures and all that, which I absolutely hate. Anyway, back to the products. This little baby came just in time for that horrid dry winter skin. I get terrible winter cheeks. Very dry on my cheeks, so this came just in time to nourish my skin and feel awesome. That's the first one. Second one was the Avon Care Express Moisture, I think it's hand and nail cream. Yeah, it's hand cream, and it's fast absorbing and it's got sea minerals with it. I haven't tried it yet, but as soon as I try it I'll be doing a product review on Beauty Bulletin. The third thing was a Luxe soap. And let me tell you, I have tried that one and it's absolutely amazing. It was the purple one. I'll include a photo so that you can see because I've already thrown the packaging away, but it's absolutely lovely and smells divine. Also great just in time for the winter. The other two products that I got is the Silky Peach Avon lipstick, which looks like that. Now, I'm not a huge fan of peach lipstick, but I'm wearing it now and it's growing on me. That's that one. And then the last one was the Rimmel 60 Seconds Q-tips. Now, as you know, I chew my nails, so I'm not going to show you them up close, but I have been trying not to chew them so that I can try this on. And if I don't try it on my fingernails, I will definitely be trying it on my toenails. And I'll do a product review on Beauty Bulletin about that one as well. So while I'm vlogging today, I'm enjoying a really nice cup of tea. My favourite drink for the winter months. Oh yes, another exciting thing that's going to happen soon is that I'm doing something really drastic with my hair. I get really tired every now and then with my naturally ginger hair, and I either go dark or I go drastic. This feels like the time that I'm going to go drastic. I actually went to a friend of mine's mum on Saturday who's a hairdresser, and she's going to be doing it for me, and we were testing out the colours on my hair to see if it would take and to see if I needed to bleach my hair beforehand. But I will only be having to bleach the ends, thank you. So I'm not going to reveal too much more about that because it's absolutely really drastic. I mean, like, wow. The last thing that I'm going to chat to you about today is my blog giveaway that's happening over at a Daft Scots Lass blog. The prize that I'm going to be giving away is 2 gift vouchers, each for 100 rand, but I'm going to be giving away both of them. So it's 200 rand gift vouchers to Melissa's Food Shop. Now, if any of you have been to Melissa's website and checked out their products, you will know it's full of all these awesome yummy goodies, and she's also got cool kitchenware as well. So go check her out, Melissa's Food Shop on Twitter, or you can go to her website and check out. She's got a store, I think, in Stellenbosch, and one in Parkhurst, if I'm not mistaken. So this vlog giveaway is for South Africans only, I'm afraid, sorry. So head on over to Daft Scots Lass blog, which is gillianhamper.blogspot.com, and enter my caption my daft photo competition. All you have to do is go over there, check out my photo, and come up with some wacky, funky, weird caption for it. The funniest one will win, and you'll be getting these babies. So that's all for today in this freezing Johannesburg. See you on the website. Bye!